This video, I show you a best app that pay you real money, which are the easiest ways to earn free PayPal money online. How to do it? We're about to find out. Do you have a smartphone that you use often? The answer is most likely yes. And if that's the case, then you can get started on making money online, even if you've never done so until now. This is also possible without investing a dime, as it's completely free to do. All you have to do is download the apps that I'll show you, do literally nothing, and collect your earnings. Now right before I explain you how you can do this, comment down below your country. In that way, I will know exactly where you're from. So in the future, I can make sure that every single video I release is meant for you. So drop your country's name in the comments down below. So without further ado, the app that we will be using is called userfeel.com. This is an app I reckon many of you didn't even know existed until now. First off though, what is userfeel.com? Well, it's an app where you can test various apps and websites, and get paid. The way this works is basically companies from all over the world will need someone to test their apps in order to find any sort of bugs and problems in the aforementioned apps and websites, and this is where userfeel.com comes in. The companies will pay userfeel.com, who will then pay people like us to do the testing. So you get paid, as simple as that. And as you can guess, such testing doesn't require any particular knowledge, a set of skills, or experience to do. It's an excellent place to get started on making money online if you've never done so before. Furthermore, this is a very popular app that has over hundreds of thousands of testers from all over the world. So this does work in most countries, and will most likely work in yours too, and this is arguably one of the best features of this app. They also have hundreds of happy clients, and some of the said clients can be seen just below, which, as you can see, includes some very big companies that I know some of you will recognize right away. You can also see quite a bit of info about this app, as well as the features they have. Userfeel is a multilingual usability and user testing tool. Test any site in any language. Our panel consists of more than 130,000 testers speaking 40 languages. This I reckon brings a lot of their customers to this app, as having testers from all over the globe means that the site or app that's not in English can still be tested without any problems. Here we can see some info regarding the testers themselves, and so it's definitely relevant for us. Test on desktop, mobile, or tablet. Testing with both our app and an external camera allows us to test websites or applications on Android or iPhone. That's why I said back in the intro that you can do this with just your smartphone. In the end, it is of course your decision. But the fact that this is doable on smartphone is a big bonus because you don't have to be home essentially to be able to test the apps. A phone or tablet is all you need to do so. Down here you can see that you can get your results very fast, and some extra info about the app that I simply won't go over because it's irrelevant for us. What you need to do instead is to scroll down below and click on Tester FAQ. And that will then take you to this page where you can see that you can get paid $10 per test, with each test lasting between 10 and 20 minutes. In other words, you can get paid $10 in 10 minutes at least, and 20 minutes at most. That's not a small amount of money considering the fact that you literally don't need any skills to do this. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to drop a like and subscribe with notification,